Hi, I'm Danielle Bowles. For my project, I had intended on writing about ethics in the field of law. Um, I wanted to write about attorney-client privilege and how important it is, and I had a lot of plans for it, but I didn't end up coming out as I wanted it to. I think that has something to do with my time management, which is something I would like to work on in the future. I learned a lot about professional writing, and I learned how to write a memo properly, which I know that I will be doing in the future, and I know that it's important to be able to come across as intelligent and writing things proper, having appropriate grammar, and know how to address my coworkers and my superiors. Um, I would definitely start a lot earlier in this. If I were to do this project again, I would have started week 1 when I got the assignment. The weeks seemed to have gone by so fast, I felt like I had a lot more time than I actually did. If I could have done it over, I would have started week 1 picking a topic, and week 3, I think it was, when we picked our essential questions, I wouldn't have waited so long because I realized how important they were to the actual paper itself. Let's see. Definitely for any classes I take in the future online, I will start earlier when I have a full project that I get in advance and it's due weeks ahead. I know that I want to start it earlier so I can do a little bit at a time. So when it comes to the time that it's due, I will have the whole thing already planned out and I won't be stressing towards the end of it. All of the workplace capability words here I think are actually very important. I will pick attitude. I think that going into anything with a positive attitude is extremely important because no matter what you're doing, if you're going in with a positive attitude, it's kind of going to bring positivity to everyone around you and it's going to change your views on things. If you feel negative about something, it's going to show and it's going to bring you down and it's going to make your work suffer as well. But if you go into something with a positive attitude, it'll just seem easier to get it done and it'll seem easier. Everyone around you will see your positive attitude and it will kind of spread to them. Let's see, I think I used a lot of these during this class. Let's see, communication. Communication, I think I communicated with you, my teacher, as much as I could. I emailed you whenever I had an issue or a problem or had a question. I also took the time to go on campus to talk to any English teachers or librarians or anyone that was there that could help me kind of give me that one-on-one explanation for any questions that I had. And that seemed to help some. I found it easier to have the one-on-one conversation, so I did what I could to communicate and be able to understand the assignments a little bit better if I was having any trouble. I think that also goes hand in hand with problem solving. Enthusiasm goes also, I think, one in hand with attitude. If you're enthusiastic about a project or you're going into work, into your future workplace, enthusiastic, I have always done that, and I feel that it brings out enthusiasm and excitement in everyone else, and it kind of brings up the team morale, and everybody's more happy than they were 5 minutes ago, you know. So yeah, I hope that next class I take online I can be a little bit more successful and start things a little bit earlier. I had great intentions for my portfolio project and I don't think it came out as well as I would have liked it to. I felt like I rushed too much because I didn't start as early as I would have liked to. but hopefully I kind of got my point across with what I was going for. And thank you.